Well, hi guys, good morning everyone. Stay with me as I rant about my school struggles. So, yesterday I talked about us paying 100 naira because of course registration in my school. Due to some issues best known to the management, my set the second semester sets, because the school is in their first semester, but due to because of after the strike we were admitted and it's messed up with the portal and all that stuff. So there are some people in second semester but the whole school is in first semester. So we're in our second semester, and because we didn't register our courses of second semester and first semester, now they are saying that we cannot register for our second semester in the second semester, meaning that we are going to have an automatic extra year or a supplementary or a carryover, which is not sitting well with everybody. So we had to protest about it, write petitions and everything. Went to our HOD, contributed money to speak with her, which did not come out really nice yesterday. Upon all the stress and all that, our course reps came back after we went, saying that our HOD said until we all pay our departmental dues, that she's not going to do anything about it. Note, it's not too late. On its normal stand, it's not too late to register courses. We have not even started our CA. Talk more of exams, and they are saying that the portal for registering courses is not available, and as such we all up to 100 and something students are going to have an extra year in school, and it's not sitting well with everybody. And with the economy of Nigeria, some people are not having it hard, they are not having it easy in this economy, and they are saying that it's either we go and sort it out, or we pay 5,000 for a course, and we are doing 8 courses. That means 40,000 naira for a course to write supplementary. That's over 100 and something students. I'm even hearing it's not only my department, but everybody in my set that in their second semester is having this issue, and it's not easy for everybody, and it's stressful. But shall we just pray and look forward that they resolve this issue at hand, as nobody is saying anything about it. So I'm in my 300 level second semester, and they're saying we are to submit our project topic by January 6th. So let's see how it goes. So guys, I said let me rant to you all because it's messed up. So today I didn't go to school today because I wasn't feeling too well. So I woke up around 10 o'clock to prepare, and here we are after all my activities. Thanks for watching.